Daylight savings is upon us, and it'll be time to spring forward all of your clocks on March 10th, 2024. This is also the perfect time to check your smoke alarms to ensure that they're in full working order and switching the batteries out if needed. Did you know that 2/3 of fatalities from house fires were inside homes that didn't have a working fire alarm? Simply unscrew, remove, and replace your battery with a fresh one. It's a quick and easy task that could save you and your family's lives. When you set your clocks forward on March 10th, take a moment to change your smoke alarm battery and keep your family safe. Set it, don't forget it.